Hi guys, let's do this problem and I read the question. Prove that r, open the bracket, cos theta plus j sin theta, close the bracket, is equals to r exponential e raised to j theta. So guys, we are going to prove that. For us to prove that, guys, we are going to write the Maclaurin series for, first we write for e raised to x, the Maclaurin series for that. So guys, the Maclaurin series for e raised to x is given by that. That is 1 plus x squared all over 2 factorial plus x cubed all over 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 over 4 factorial plus x raised to 5 all over 5. This is 5 factorial. So I correct myself there. Guys, now we go for cos x. That is the Maclaurin series for cos x. This one now, guys, is given by 1 minus x squared all over 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 all over 4 factorial minus x raised to 6 all over 6 factorial, and guys, and so on. Guys, from there we go to sin x. For sin x, guys, it's given by x minus x cubed all over 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 all over 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 all over 7 factorial, and guys, and so on. So guys, from there we come and say, taking series of e raised to x, guys, we replace x with j theta, like that. So guys, we are now going to write the series of ex, but we replace x with j theta, and this is what now happens, guys. We shall have e raised to x to, now instead of x you shall have j theta this now comes to, we come to this, we replace x with j theta, so we shall have 1 plus j theta plus j theta squared all over 2 factorial plus j theta cubed all over 3 factorial plus j theta raised to 4 all over 4 factorial plus j theta raised to 5 all over 5 factorial plus, guys, still we write j theta put into the bracket raised to 6 all over 6 factorial, like that. Guys, we can still go up to 7. We write plus j theta, all that raised to 7, all over 7 factorial, like that. Guys, now taking this pattern, where we have j squared, we shall have that as 1, that is negative 1. Guys, if we have j cubed gives us negative j. We go to j raised to 4. Guys, this one we get as 1, because remember these are 2 j2 squared, which gives us 1. We also have j raised to 5. Guys, this one will give us j. And then we go to j6. j6, guys, this one gives us negative 1. And guys, we have that pattern. So we go to j7. The same pattern is repeated here, negative 1, negative j, 1j, negative 1, negative j, up to, guys, we can even reach there because, guys, we don't need 8 according to us. And so, guys, we now come and write e raised to j theta will now give us, this now will be equal to, this is going to be equal to 1 plus, guys, we have j theta plus, guys, we come to j squared. Because of these two, this gives us negative. So, guys, we shall have a negative theta squared all over 2 factorial. Guys, we come here where we have j cubed. J cubed will give us negative. This will be negative j cubed. That is negative j theta cubed all over 3 factorial. Coming to 4, guys, we are going to have, that is going to be theta plus theta raised to 4 all over 4 factorial. Because remember, guys, the j has finished, it's no longer there. And then we come to 5. Coming to 5, guys, we are going to have only j theta raised to 5 all over 5 factorial. Guys, we want to go up to 6. So we shall have, for 6, it shall have negative 1, which is negative theta raised to 6 all over 6 factorial. And for 7, guys, we are going to have j7 is negative j theta raised to 7 all over 7 factorial, like that. And therefore, guys, and so, guys, I can write this as e raised to j theta is equals to, guys, I can start with 1 and now go for even first. So you shall have 1 minus theta squared all over 2 factorial. I go to this plus theta raised to 4 all over 4 factorial. And then I go to this, which is minus theta raised to 6 all over 6 factorial. Guys, I can also go for now this plus j theta. I start with that. Guys, I now come here minus j theta cubed all over 3 factorial. Now go to 5 plus j theta raised to 5 all over 5 factorial. And finally, guys, I will come now to 7 minus j theta raised to 7 all over 7 factorial. Because of that, guys, I can now say e raised to j theta will now be equal to, guys, if you look at this, this is now our series for sine theta. That is, guys, if you were to replace the sine with, if this were, that is for cos, guys, if we were to put theta here, we shall have 1 minus theta squared over 2 plus theta raised to 4 all over 4 minus theta raised to 6 all over 6, which is right here. So therefore we shall have cos theta, cos, this is the series for cos theta, now plus j, guys, we can when we factor out j, guys, we shall be left with this series of sine. That is, if this is theta, guys, we shall have theta minus theta cubed all over 3 factorial plus theta raised to 5 all over 5 factorial minus theta raised to 7 all over 7 factorial. Guys, even as it is written here, you can see this is theta raised to 3 all over 3 factorial plus theta raised to 5 all over 5 factorial minus theta raised to 7 all over 7 factorial. And so this one will be sine theta. And therefore, guys, I can now come and multiply by r this side and also multiply by r this side. And therefore, guys, this is my solution. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.